Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can basically turn your city or area into like a snowy place. That's been going around on TikTok lately. So go to Google Gemini. I use this a lot. But you are going to get a picture of like the road where you are or something like that. For instance, you live in a tropical country where it doesn't snow. Just going to place that here. Go to tools and then create images, and then you're going to paste this prompt. Also, just add in the like what's in the picture here. Obviously, just change it according to your picture. Then I'm just going to press enter. I don't think there are trees. Actually, there are some trees in this picture. So hopefully it will give like a snowy winter atmosphere to this picture. I'm just going to wait for it to generate. I'm excited. I don't know what I would. Oh my gosh. No way. That looks so cool. Well, this is what it looks like. Maybe there should be more. Maybe not on the streets, actually. That's dangerous. But this is what it should look like. Super cool. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.